Good morning. This is Don Greeno from Designer Fair, bringing you another installment of our inspirational quote for your professional well-being. I hope you are all having a fantastic day so far. Happy Monday. Here's your quote. Your talent determines what you can do. Your motivation determines how much you are willing to do. And your attitude determines how well you do it. And that quote is by Lou Holtz. Well, I hope you enjoy these quotes. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please be sure to follow us on social media. See you soon.